Welcome back to the channel. I've got a quick video today which might just save you quite a bit of money. So if you are watching this video, you are likely either already using AI for content generation or it's something that you are looking at maybe doing. There are some fantastic tools out there. There are lots of fantastic AI tools for content generation, marketing, creating your social media posts. And that's some of the problem. There's lots of them. So which one do you use? Well, if you've used AI, the problem is there isn't really one that does everything. So each of them have got their own sweet spot. They'll do something particularly well. So really you want to be using these different AI platforms for those special purposes to get the most out of AI. But if you're doing that, you're going to be paying monthly subscription fees for multiple different platforms. So what do? Do you just try and pay one subscription and use one AI and just put up with its limitations, or do you spend out on multiple subscriptions for multiple AI platforms? Actually, you don't need to do either. And what I was shown, you can use the same tool without paying a monthly subscription on a pay-as-you-go basis through this fantastic platform. So let's jump over to the platform, we'll have a look, and let's go from there. So the platform is called Fal.ai, so Fal.ai. You can go directly there. You'll see in the top corner here you've got my image, and next to that there's a little bell icon, and then to the left of that you've got a figure of $7.83. So that's the credit that I have available on Fal.ai. So I uploaded $10 a few days ago. As you can see, it lasts you quite a while, obviously depending on how much usage, but you can create an image for literally pennies, right? Literally a few cents an image, and 25-50 cents for some video. So depending on the amount that you use it, obviously it would depend on your cost, but I would say you're talking pennies here. So let's just have a quick look. So what I think this site is doing, or what it must be doing, is it must have sort of all-you-can-eat enterprise level agreements with each of these AI platforms. It's then connecting out to them via an API, and then it is charging you for each interaction that you are doing via that API. So fantastic, I guess. Great business model all round. So the AI platforms are very happy because they're getting usage on their platform, which they're getting paid for. Fal.ai is very happy because it is obviously making more money from each of those individual transactions than it is costing it in overall licensing fees. And we're very happy because we get to use all of these fantastic tools on a pay-as-you-go basis. So fantastic business model. You can see here, image to image, there are 209 image to image AIs available. Text to image, 94 different text to image AI platforms available. Text to speech, there's 9. So look, well over 400 different AI platforms available. And let me show you what I mean by a few pennies. So let's do text to image. That's quite a common thing that people do. We'll use let's use Flux Dev here. So we get a very simple interface. We get our prompt here, so we can type something in here to create the image. We can expand this to have additional settings, so we can check the format. The rest of this you just leave as it is. You can create something that's called a LoRa, with Flux, which is basically a digital you. So it isn't a picture, but it is, you can train the AI very simply so that it can create images of you. So you can then say, this is what you want you to be wearing, what you want you to be doing, the setting you want your digital you in, and it will create that for you with an image that honestly your mother couldn't tell apart. But you can do that, and if that's something that's of interest to you, actually do let me know in the comments below if you'd like me to do a video on how you can train an AI to produce images of yourself. But look, we put our text in here, we set our settings, a landscape, the number of images that we want, and we click run, and we'll do that in a sec, and it will go away and create the image here. But I just want to show you here, your request will cost you 0.025 of a cent per megapixel. Images round up to the nearest megapixel, so this is like 1 megapixel times 0.7 of a megapixel, so that's going to round it up to 1 megapixel. So this is going to cost me 0.025 of a cent for an image. So let's try it. We've got a prompt in here, it gives you, and it just gives you something random, so we'll leave that in there. Extreme close-up of a single tiger eye, a detailed iris and pupil with the word Flux painted over it. So that's what we can do. Let's hit run. There we go, look at that. How quick was that? So that was absolutely lightning. It's done a very good job on the image that it has given me. Let's try something else. So let's have a man standing on a cliff edge looking into a valley where a pink fire breathing dragon is hovering. Okay, that's not a great prompt, to be honest, but we'll just see what it comes up with. So we've said 2, so let's see if it comes back with 2 this time. Okay, there we go. So it's done our image. As I say, it's not a great prompt. It could be a lot more detailed to say exactly how I wanted that, but that is certainly a man standing on a cliff looking into a valley with a pink dragon in the image. So that is the tool. Very simple interface. You can do image to text, text to image, you can do text to video, you can do image to video, you can do text to voiceover. So lots and lots and lots of stuff that you can do with it, and rather than paying big monthly subscriptions, you're paying a few cents each time you use it. So that was a bit of a whistle-stop tour of Fal.ai. I know it was a little bit rambly, but I just wanted to get the video done and get it out to you so that you can get using it. So Fal.ai, if that's of use to you. So if you're interested in understanding how you can train an AI to create images of you, let me know in the comments below. If there are other things that you're interested in doing with AI, let me know in the comments below. If it's something I know how to do, I'll be very happy just to put a quick video up for you. If it isn't, I'm generally interested in AI, so it may be something that if you've got an interesting use case, I decide I want to go out and research and then do a video for you. So do let me know in the comments below. If you've got value out of this video, please do give it a thumbs up, smash that like button, and consider subscribing to the channel. It does really, really help the channel, and I'm going to put lots of videos out on this channel about the ways that I am making money online, things that I'm doing that's working for me, and things that aren't working. This is going to be a very transparent channel, so you will see exactly what is going on, and then you can decide if there are things that I'm doing that would be useful to you. The information will be here for you to use. So thank you very much for watching the video. Do give it a thumbs up, do subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one.